still protected by that same data loss prevention that Randy and I have been discussing here. I mentioned the agent storefront. The agent storefront is a relatively new user interface that's built into, again, all entry points of Copilot. If you want to start discovering agents that have been built by others in your company, agents that are offered by Microsoft, things like Visual Creator, the Sales Agent, Writing Coach Agent, or even there's actually a Prompt Coach Agent too, which actually trains you and helps you write better prompts, which is fantastic. But now you'll see hundreds and hundreds of different connectors from popular services like Jira, Monday, ServiceNow, Mural, Salesforce, all those different things. So you can immediately start leveraging your Copilot with business data that might not live inside Microsoft 365 and start having it reason over those things as well. Any examples or any thoughts on that, Randy, you want to throw in about connecting to external data?
Yeah, just from a standpoint of, being front lines in the deployment of Copilot and other applications, we are starting to see a lot of our customers inquire regarding using Copilot with those third-party solutions, Salesforce you mentioned, HubSpot, these type of things, so that Copilot is now, branching out outside of, like you said, the Microsoft ecosystem and actually be used a tool with all these other third-party applications that your business may be using today.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you'll see tools that are being developed or have been around for a long time, you'll see they all have a heavy focus on AI now. The beauty is you don't need to go outside of Copilot to do those things because those tools are actually coming natively into Copilot. And Microsoft has put a huge focus on security requirements, access requirements, and following that organizational data boundary that you have set. So if you're connecting an app to your Copilot, rest assured that that same level of enterprise data protection applies, which is just fantastic. And for all the IT admins watching this, keep in mind it is a lifesaver that you don't have to manage separate identity and API connection systems. What about creating custom agents? Let's talk about the agent builder. Now, there are a couple of different ways to create agents, and this is, again, going a bit above and beyond just using that Copilot chat experience, but this is available to all users too. Agents can be created by individual users for their own individual activities. I mentioned the KitchenAid bot before. Randy mentioned the marketing agent that has your business tone, your voice, and all of your documentation handy. When you create an agent from Agent Builder within your Copilot app, that's really intended to be for you and whenever you need to go ahead and use it. If you're working on a project or a sales development plan or a complex migration that you might be doing, Agent Builder is perfect for that. Give it all of your documentation, give it your entire project plan, and then come back and ask questions about it. It's perfect for those scenarios. There's also the Copilot Studio Agent Builder. And Copilot Studio Agent Builder is also available to Microsoft 365 Copilot users, and this allows you to build agents that can be used throughout your organization, and even publicly available websites. If you want to create a chatbot agent with support inquiry, with telephone level handoff and voice capabilities to have on your website, you'll see these a lot when you go on people's websites and the little AI bot pops out in usually the lower right-hand corner, and it's like, hey, how can I help you? That's an agent that has all the working context and knowledge that would be available to someone inside the organization. And these agents can orchestrate together. One agent can leverage another, depending on the question and the prompt entered by the user, right?